autonomous cars, satellite software, mobile robotics, and unmanned aerial vehicles. The AI2 Institute's technological offering in mobility and logistics includes a wide range of cutting-edge solutions. Leading companies in the aerospace, railway, road safety, and maritime transport sectors have already benefited from the solutions developed in our laboratories at the Polytechnic City of Innovation. The AI2 researchers some decades of know-how in autonomous vehicle technologies, networked control for more reliable trajectories and cost savings, modules to improve land and maritime communications, and the design of control systems for electric self-guided vehicles with wireless server connectivity, as well as next-generation autopilot systems using state-of-the-art technology. The application of this technology to unmanned aerial vehicles led to the creation of the spin-off Valira Aerospace, which offers aircraft with extended range thanks to hydrogen fuel cell propulsion, ideal for missions such as surveillance, transport, rescue, logistics, and border control, among others. The railway sector has also benefited from developments by the Institute of Automation and Industrial Informatics. Our teams have designed fleet and personnel planning and scheduling applications. We also have hardware-in-the-loops test bench for virtual catenaries, contributing to improved electric current collection systems in trains, optimized wear, and enhanced safety. On the road, we've become an essential ally in traffic safety. Impact attenuators that alert police in case of accidents, tunnel coatings, and smart guardrails are just some of the innovations our researchers have developed in collaboration with leading companies in the sector. We are equipped with state-of-the-art technology and high capabilities to offer flexible and reliable solutions aimed at improving business logistics. Our mobile robotics designs offer a wide range of applications in facilities ranging from large industrial plants to hospitals and care homes, advanced fleet and infrastructure management, and smart mobility solutions to get far.